Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charlotte. I am a freelance hairdresser in the UK and I am here on my channel to share all tips and tricks. In today's video we are going to be talking about how to create that perfect wave that you kind of see a lot of hairdressers create. I myself do it on my clients all the time and I just love it. It's just so casual. No massive amount of effort required, really easy steps. So I'm going to show you how I create my look. So for this look you are going to need a few things. You're going to need your GHD straighteners or just any straighteners that you have. I just prefer GHD as a professional. 2 section clips so that we can clip it out of the way. I need a heat protection of some kind. I'm using the GHD heat protection spray. You're literally just going to use a comb. Again, very simple, but I just find it helps me when I'm styling just to use a comb, just when you get your section and you just want to comb it through. So you're going out or you just want your hair to look nice and it currently looks like this. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the hair in sections first. So I'm going to draw a line with my fingers. Now I don't need a massive amount of hair in each section, but equally my hair's quite fine, so I'm gonna just take relatively, I tend to take about 3 sections, so it's not too complicated. Like that. Just clip it up out of the way. You're gonna want to turn your straighteners on, and I love GHD's tune, brilliant. Now whilst those are heating up, we're going to spray with our heat protectant spray. Generous amount, just make sure it's all covered, and that's going to go in your mouth whilst you're talking, and then just give it a quick comb through. Like so. Okay, now what you're going to do is take a section around this size, like this, and we're going to get our straighteners, like so. Now I am right-handed, so this video is going to be a bit cat-handed, but I do my left side with my right hand and my right side with my left hand. It's really tricky to do it with my left hand, but you'll kind of see I've got the hang of it because I do it all the time now, but for me personally, on myself, it's a bit difficult. So I will show you how to do it this way, and then when we get round to that side I will stop and we'll go over that as well. So I'm going to go in, I always have my straighteners down like this. I'm going to go in like this, turn it, down and out. Okay, I'm going to leave that now. I'm not going to touch it because I don't want to disturb it whilst it's still hot. So again, just move those hairs out of the way. Just twizzle it. Now you can't see the back, so it's just going to be doing it by feel. So we just want to kind of feel roughly where it is, and we're just going to have to stretch our arms back and just do it that way. So now we're going to be moving on to this side. So again, same section, but we are just going to use this hand instead. Again, it's a bit cat-handed, but it does the trick. The reason why I do it this way is to get the curl going the right way. So some curls kind of go facing onto the face and then some go away from the face, whereas I like them to go away from the face. That's just my preferred look. You can do it however you want to do it. So again, just kind of feel where it is. Just make sure it's nice and slow. Don't pull it out too quickly. Make sure you've got a good tension, good grip on there. I'm going for more of like a waved look anyway, so I don't particularly, I'm not too fussed about how it's coming out because I kind of want a bit of a looser look. Okay, so So that's that. I'm going to now speed this video up, and you can just kind of watch as I do it. Okay, so that is that done. So I let them now cool down, and I will then wait for them. Once they're cool, I can then dress them out and kind of do whatever I want to do with them. I've done mine a lot looser because I kind of like this look. So what you're going to do is you are going to take your Lotus eco-friendly brush. It's a detangling brush. It's amazing. If you haven't got one of these, I would highly, highly recommend them. She's just going to go in like this and brush it. It will spring back, don't worry. And if it doesn't, you can go over it. My side, this side always goes a little bit funny. So, and my hair's got a bit longer than it used to be. So, but you can kind of see the waves still in there, which is brilliant. So I'm now going to take my Mythic oil. Again, if you haven't used L'Oreal's Mythic oil, amazing stuff. This is what I use to finish off all my clients. Again, you're just going to work it through. Just kind of like scrunch it in if you want to as well. Actual look. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because I can then make more videos that I know you like them. And if you're a client of mine, don't forget to comment, say hi in the comments, and I will see you all in my next video.